The hustle is real, but what if it didn't have to be? In 2024, the traditional work-to-earn model is taking a backseat to a new wave of unconventional income streams. Forget the side hustle grind. We're talking about turning your passions, hobbies, and even your furry friends into unexpected paths to financial freedom. Ready to ditch the predictable and embrace the unheard of? Here are 7 revolutionary new ways to earn money in the year ahead.
Monetize your memes. Master the art of meme marketing. Number 1, among the new ways to earn money is monetizing memes. Yes, remember those hilarious faces you share for a digital chuckle? Turns out, they can turn into serious cash. The rise of meme marketing has spawned agencies dedicated to crafting viral gold, and you can be part of the gold rush. Whether you're a meme connoisseur or a digital Picasso, platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with brands seeking meme magic. Think captions that crack spines, visuals that break the internet, and engagements that skyrocket. Hone your humor, embrace the absurd, and watch your bank account and follower count soar.
Rent out your stuff, reap the rewards. Sharing is the new owning. Number 2, among the new ways to earn money is renting out your stuff. This is real. Remember that rarely used treadmill collecting dust in the corner? It's time to turn that dust into dollars. Peer-to-peer rental platforms like Turo, cars, Fat Llama, equipment, and Rent My Closet, fashion, are unlocking the earning potential of your unused possessions. Think about it. Unused gym equipment becomes someone's fitness salvation. That vintage camera becomes a budding photographer's dream, and your designer duds become someone else's red carpet runway. Declutter your life, declutter your debt, and watch your bank account declutter alongside.
Get paid to play. Gaming goes pro beyond esports. Can you get paid to play? Oh yes. Here comes the third option on the list of new ways to earn money. Move over, sports. There's a whole new game in town, and everyone can play. Streaming platforms like Twitch and YouTube are turning casual gamers into content creators, raking in revenue through subscriptions, sponsorships, and even in-game donations. But it's not just about racking up kills. Building a loyal audience requires engaging commentary, entertaining personalities, and unique gameplay. Master your chosen game, cultivate your online persona, and transform your thumbs into a ticket to financial victory.
Unleash your inner Sherlock, the booming business of online sleuthing. What stands at number 4 on the list of new ways to earn money? Got a knack for deduction that would make Sherlock Holmes jealous? The internet needs your skills. From data mining and competitor analysis to virtual detective work and online fraud investigation, the demand for digital sleuths is booming. Platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk and Upwork offer endless gigs for the eagle-eyed and analytically inclined. Hone your research skills, learn basic coding, and become a master of online data. The mysteries and paychecks are out there, waiting to be solved.
Teach the world one micro lesson at a time. Knowledge is power and paycheck. Sharing knowledge as a means of income is an old way. However, adding technology to it makes it even sweeter. Ever wished you could turn your expertise into income without the commitment of a traditional course? Enter the world of micro-learning platforms like Skillshare and Udemy. These platforms allow you to break down your knowledge into bite-sized, digestible lessons, catering to learners with busy schedules and short attention spans. From cooking hacks to coding basics and public speaking tips to personal finance guides, your unique skill set is a goldmine waiting to be mined.
Number 6 on the list of new ways to earn money is earning money from your pets. Our furry companions bring us joy, but did you know they can also bring us cold, hard cash? The pet industry is booming, and with it, opportunities for pet-loving entrepreneurs. From dog walking and pet sitting to pet photography and custom pet accessories, the possibilities are endless. Think outside the doghouse, offer luxury pet boarding, create personalized pet training programs, or launch a line of eco-friendly pet toys. Your creativity and cuddles can be your ticket to financial independence.
The voice of the future text-to-speech takes center stage. The rise of audiobooks and AI-powered assistants has created a thriving market for text-to-speech narration. If you have a captivating voice and a knack for pronunciation, this could be your golden ticket. Platforms like Narrate and Voice 123 connect you with publishers, filmmakers, and even e-learning companies in need of your vocal talents, Practice different accents, master narration techniques, and build a demo reel that showcases your vocal versatility. Your voice could be the soundtrack to someone else's success story. Conclusion: new ways to earn money. Forget the cubicle crawl and the corner office blues. In 2024, the definition of work is being rewritten, and the possibilities are as boundless as your imagination. These untapped income streams and new ways to earn money are more than just side hustles. They're opportunities to monetize your passions, leverage your skills, and rewrite the rules of financial success. Whether you're a meme maestro, a pet entrepreneur, or a voice-over virtuoso, the power to earn money beyond the traditional means lies within your reach. But remember, it's not just about the quick buck. It's about discovering joy in unexpected places, turning your hobbies into hustles, and building a lifestyle that fuels your soul and your bank account. So, ditch the limitations, embrace the unconventional, and step into the exciting world of new age earning. Remember, the path less traveled might just lead you to your financial pot of gold. I'm sure you have liked this piece on new ways to earn money in 2024. Do share your views, thoughts, and queries in the comments below. And do not forget to follow the Freedom Sage